Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Piedra de Afilar is probably one of the most important tools in any kitchen, ensuring your knives stay sharp and efficient for years to come. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect knife sharpening stone, covering various types, their uses, and essential factors to consider before making a purchase, helping you make an informed decision and achieve professional-level sharpening results. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Whetstone. It's made with premium quality materials for superior performance. The special composition ensures a sharper, longer-lasting edge. This kit includes everything you need: the whetstone, a sturdy bamboo base, an angle guide, and helpful instructions. You'll be sharpening like a pro in no time. The non-slip bamboo base and angle guide keep it securely in place and help you maintain the correct sharpening angle. Sharpening your knives has never been safer. It's incredibly simple to use. Just add water, no messy oils needed, and you're ready to go. Cleaning is a breeze, too. It can sharpen virtually any blade, from kitchen knives to hunting knives. It's the ultimate tool for home cooks and professional chefs alike. What we like. This sharpening stone boasts premium materials for superior performance. It comes with everything you need, including a non-slip base and angle guide for safe and easy sharpening. If you value safety in a complete kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The included angle guide that holds the blade at the proper angle to the stone is good for beginners but is small enough to easily use. The stone itself is high quality, and with a bit of practice, I managed to get my knives razor sharp. The bamboo and rubber base setup is fantastic for keeping everything stable while sharpening. The included angle guide is a game changer. By far the most difficult part about sharpening knives is keeping the angle consistent, and this little thing makes it dead simple. This is a really excellent sharpening stone. Number 4. Sharp Pebble Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. It's made with premium quality aluminum oxide and CBN super abrasive. This ensures superior cutting performance and long-lasting sharpness. This affordable kit includes everything you need: the whetstone, a flattening stone, and a helpful guide. You'll be able to sharpen your knives like a pro. Just one use will restore sharpness to even the dullest knives. Prepare food easier and reduce strain on your hands and wrists. It features dual-sided grit, 400-1000. Use the coarser side to reshape blades and the finer side for sharpening and smoothing. The flattening stone keeps it perfectly level. It can sharpen a wide variety of blades, from kitchen knives and scissors to hunting knives and even swords. It's truly a multi-purpose tool. What we like. This kit includes a premium whetstone and a flattening stone to maintain its surface. It quickly restores sharpness to even the dullest blades. If you need to quickly revive dull knives, this is your best bet. What people say. The whetstone arrived on my doorstep on time and in good condition. Upon opening the package, I immediately noted that the whetstone was the product of a high-end quality control manufacturing process. Functionality is exceptional. The heavier grit side of the stone sculpts the metal edge, while the finer grit side hones the tool to as fine an edge as you would want. Very well packed, arrived in pristine condition. Used on a newly purchased factory sharp CRKT and with 3 swipes on the smooth side turned it scary sharper. The Sharp Pebble products work very well and accommodate my skill set. The products arrived on time and very well packaged, no product damage or defects whatsoever. Number 3. Actual Grit Whetstone Set. It's made with superior silicon carbide. The 400 grit side is perfect for everyday sharpening, repairing chips, and initial polishing. The 1000 grit side refines the edge for an extra smooth finish. No messy oils needed. Just soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes before use. Add water during sharpening for a smooth, lubricated sharpening process that saves you effort. It's compatible with almost any knife, chef's knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, and more. It even works on tools like scissors, chisels, and hatchets. This kit includes 2 7x2.2 by 1.1 inch sharpening stones and a helpful guide. It makes a great gift for any home cook or tool enthusiast. Made of white corundum, it's fast and self-sharpening. New edges appear quickly, and you won't need to dress the stone frequently, saving you time and effort. What we like. Made with high-quality silicon carbide, this stone is incredibly easy to use and requires only water. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of blades. If you prioritize ease of use and versatility, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The rubber bottom that it sits in keeps it stable. Easy to use, just soak in water for 10 minutes and you're ready. Sharpens knives quickly with little effort. Excellent stone will last 10 years with care. Number 2. CWINDY Sharpening Stone Kit. It's made of premium white corundum, known for its self-sharpening properties. With 17 processes and 3 inspections, its quality is guaranteed. This kit includes a double-sided whetstone, a non-slip rubber base, and an instruction manual with a QR code for a helpful video. Everything you need is right here. One side is low grit for refining dull edges, the other is high grit for polishing. It's easy to use and will bring your dull knives back to life. It's perfect for most knives, razors, and precision tools. It makes a great gift, too. Just remember, it's not suitable for serrated or ceramic blades. Order with confidence. Our US-based customer service team is here to help if you have any questions about this sharpening stone. What we like. This whetstone is made of premium white corundum, known for its self-sharpening properties. The kit includes everything you need for a professional sharpening experience. If you're looking for a high-quality, self-maintaining stone, this is it. What people say. This sharpening stone is a great addition to the kitchen utility. A dull knife is less efficient and can be frustrating to use. This stone feels well made and does an excellent job of sharpening knives. The whetstone itself is high quality and works beautifully. Surfaces were flat and totally free of any blemishes. For the cost, I promise you it is worth it. I have no complaints. Comes with a rubber grip which prevents slipping, works like a charm, sharpens very quickly, and I love the weight of the stone, feels very strong. Number 1. 400-1000 Whetstone Sharpening Stone. This durable silicon carbide sharpening stone has 2 sides, 400 grit for reshaping and 1000 grit for smoothing and polishing. It's corrosion and heat resistant, making it a reliable tool for any blade. The silicone base keeps it firmly in place on the acacia wood base, preventing slippage during use. It's simple to set up and use, making sharpening safe and convenient. It's not just for kitchen knives. Sharpen a wide variety of blades, from hunting knives to scissors, with ease and precision. It's a versatile tool for all your sharpening needs. This whetstone uses water, not oil, for lubrication. Simply soak it for 5 to 10 minutes before use. No need for expensive honing oils, saving you money. The kit includes a premium double-sided whetstone, a non-slip silicone base, and measures 7-inch L x 2.25 W x 1.125 H. It's a complete sharpening solution for all your blade needs. What we like. This dual-sided stone is incredibly safe and easy to use, thanks to its non-slip base. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of blades. If you want a safe, easy-to-use, and versatile option, this is for you. What people say. The rubber grip on the bottom provides a stable and solid base to work on. Been using it a while now. Performance meets and exceeds what I was looking for. The edges I've put on my knives have not only been smooth and true, but sharp and lasting. I sharpened 4 knives, all with damaged edges, to a smooth, sharp blade in less than 20 minutes, including setup. The knives would then slice thin paper cleanly in one swipe. This basic 2-sided stone with a non-slip base came up at a sensible price. Getting the right angle and persisting, slow but steady, has restored the edge to my sad knives without too much effort, using only the 400 gritier side. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.